Here I am in my Google Analytics dashboard. Let's filter the last 30 days, apply, and you can see I am almost on the 1 million page view milestone on my website. How I did this? Today I will share with you my top 5 growth hacking strategies that helped me reach this milestone. Keep watching. So let's start with number 1. I started implementing this strategy this year and had a significant impact on the number of visitors and my website growth. So what is this strategy? It is to push and make people share your content. In other words, we call this viral share growth. But how to implement? If you go to my website, hdk.com, you will see I added the point system here. On 8 Super Tools, I added the point system here. You can see. What is the point system? It's simply allowing people to collect points when they consume and engage in your website. And what's more important, they earn points when they share the content. If you go here to my blog and open any article or post, you will see share this post, help others and earn points. Whenever they share the post, they will earn points. And even though I didn't announce yet how they will withdraw these points, I noticed a significant impact. A lot of people are sharing, a lot of people are collecting points, and this worked perfectly. Believe me, people, when they collect something on a website in some way, it will give them that positive vibe, that dopamine pulse. Of course, I'm not saying here to lie to people. No, implement a point system and they can benefit from. In my case, you see here I added a full page explaining what are the points, what are my goals, how they will use them later and so on. Like maybe they can withdraw with crypto, with cash, buy products, gift cards, free courses and so on. So be transparent and be honest and implement the point system or make people collect something on your website. How to implement? If you are on WordPress, you can simply use a plugin called MyCred. It's super easy to implement. It has a lot of options and add-ons you can use directly on your WordPress website. If you have a custom website, like in my case, 8supertools.com, which is a website I developed, you need to do this manually or hire a developer to do this for you. Strategy number 2 is running competitions and giveaways and combining it with strategy number 1, which is viral growth. How? Let's see. Here I'm using a service called Gleam.io, which allows you to run competitions and giveaways and a lot of things. If you go here and create a new competition, start from scratch and go here to how to enter, you will see they have something called viral share. So when someone joins the giveaway of the competition and shares this giveaway, they will earn more entries. So they have higher chance to win the giveaway. So people will start sharing this giveaway or this competition and they will refer other people to your website, to your competition. Here I'm using Gleam. You can also use another plugin called Raffle Press. If you're using WordPress, you can pay only once or once per year. It's a lot cheaper and they have the viral also template. You can use it if you want. Viral sharing, refer a friend. It works perfectly. Let's go back here and make sure always when you run a competition to embed it inside your website. So you get traffic to your website. Here in the code install, what I do is I copy the landing page. I copy this code. I go to my website, I create a page, all pages, just to show you this example. It's important to get the traffic to your website. Let's go here, give away or something like this one. Let's view it. You will see right now I'm running a giveaway for a free premium WordPress hosting. You can see here it's on my website, hosted inside my website, and here we have the share this giveaway with your friends to earn more 5 entries. This is what we call viral giveaway sharing and combining giveaway strategy with number 1, which is viral share growth. And I think a couple of months ago I published a video here on my channel showing you how I got the majority of my Instagram followers with one giveaway. Giveaways are very important for viral growth. Strategy number 3. Providing valuable resources and tools. Look what I did. On my website, I provide valuable free ebooks, and soon we have a new collection, so stay tuned. I also provide this free tool, the Super Email Validator. You can validate emails totally for free. I have the free SEO checklist. It's a checklist on Notion you can get to help people rank their website. I have 8 super tools, a lot of free tools here, valuable tools that really helps people. I have this tool, the Fast Domainer. People can search for domain names. And this is a great example, the SEO Analyzer. What I did here is I bought a script from Code Canyon, this script here. I hosted it totally for free. Today, you can see this script reached 200,000 views per month in February. Believe me, I didn't promote this ever. Do you know how this tool got this amount of traffic? I found people, YouTubers, are talking about it on their YouTube channels. It's a free resource anyone can use. So when someone finds it, they will definitely share with other people. It's free and it will help others. I found a lot of people talking about it in their websites, in their channels, on their blogs. It grew in a couple of months automatically without me doing anything. So providing valuable tools, resources, anything valuable and for free, you will see people in a couple of months will start sharing it because it helped them. They will share with their friends, with others, and so on. Strategy number 4 is to build a community. Now, to be honest with you, this requires some hard work and time, but it's one of the best methods to build a solid audience that you can always share content with and get traffic from. In my case, I built a community, and even I'm trying to turn my whole website into a community for digital marketers and people working online. You can see here the forum. I dedicate every single day 1 hour to reply to questions on the forum, on my Telegram group, to interact with my audience. And if you are following, you know this. I almost answer every single question on Telegram and on the forum, and this helped me to build a forum with more than 40,000 members. We have today 80,000 posts. Think about SEO also. This forum can rank on Google. People are asking and I am answering. People are engaged with together, and these questions and answers rank on Google. So it would help you get also free organic traffic from Google. You can also build a Telegram group, as I did. Create a Telegram group, interact with people, engage with them, help them in your niche, and you will see how this will help you get traffic always. You can see on my Telegram, I have more than 30,000 subscribers. In the group, in the private group, we have 3,000 members. If you want to join us, chat together, go now and join. As I mentioned, this requires a lot of work. This requires some dedication. You need to give time every day to engage with your audience. But on the long term, it's a great strategy for growing your websites and building your audience. You can also use anything you want. In my case, I use my forum on the website and my Telegram group. Strategy number 5, which I believe is one of the most important strategies, which is content repurposing or content syndication. The idea is simple. You create one piece of content and you distribute on different platforms. Let's give a simple example. Here is a post I published on my website. 5 digital marketing skills that you will wow your clients with in 2022. This is a post on my blog, on my main website. If you go to medium.com, to my Medium blog, you will see the same blog post, but this time it's somehow summarized, written in a shorter way, and inside this blog I refer back to my website. We have here links to my website and to my other services. And the same piece of content I turned into a YouTube video. You can see this YouTube video here. So I publish on YouTube, on Medium, on my website. Even though I create sometimes Instagram slides based on these content pieces, I share on Tumblr, on Twitter, on all my social network. In this way, you spread the same piece of content on all platforms. This is what I call the traffic explosion method. If you want to learn more about it and see how I implement it in detail, you can check out this video here to explode your website on the internet. See you later.